me again, the Looney Tune, with the giant Revolution Gingerbread Advent Calendar. So we are now on day 16 of the Advent Calendar, and I am so excited to tell you what I've got from day 7 to day 16, because believe me, they have been just upping their game every single day. Still not one day where I've been disappointed, which I didn't think would happen because I am a makeup addict and it takes a lot to make me excited when it comes to makeup, but Revolution have just exceeded all expectations. If you haven't seen my day 1 to 7 opening, then I will leave it down below so you guys can go watch it, because I'm telling you, you need to be up to date before you watch this video. I'm now going to dive in with day 8, which I know is an absolute corker, and we're just going to get into it. So day 8, this was actually and has actually been my favourite day to date, and it's a product that I have used nearly every day since. I'm literally completely and utterly sold. It's what I've got on my face right now, and it is this Bobby Dazzler. It's a full-size palette. It is I Heart Chocolate palette, and if you watched my last video, you'll know that I got a mini chocolate palette and it didn't smell of chocolate, and I was really disappointed. This one smells completely of chocolate, and it's just flipping, oh my god, I'm just in love. They come like this, which is absolutely amazing because it looks like an actual chocolate bar without the calories, which we're all thankful for, and then it looks like this inside. Oh my god. So it has a mix of shimmers, glitters, there's browns, there's golds, there's bronzes, there's khakis, there are some creamy colours, there is a full-size mirror, so thankful for that. They do give you these little eyeshadow application things, which I never use because they're absolutely pointless, but hey, we're not going to get annoyed with it. And then the names of each of the colours are on like a little bit of plastic perspex. I don't know, that plastic that's really irritating that falls out everywhere. I've really enjoyed this palette. Been going to it day after day. I love it because you can kind of go for the more natural colours, or you can go for the more smoky colours, and it's a great palette to take day to night. And it has a full-size mirror, which makes it just even better. Day number 9. I'm not going to sing through all these because you'll be like fed up of hearing my voice. Day number 9. What was day number 9? Oh, it was a lip gloss. I remember this lip gloss. So it is a metallic unicorn lips in Whimsical. Yes, Whimsical. It is a glittery, shimmery lip gloss, and it's very pretty. It's kind of a colour that you'd put on and you'd feel really girly and really feminine. The other colours in Advent Calendar have been quite strong and quite bold colours, so this is kind of a colour if you're feeling a safe day. But I have to admit, I picked this over the top of like a vibrant bright pink one day, and it looked absolutely like kissable. Like I wanted to kiss my own lips because it was that kissable, and it lasts really well, and it's really shiny, and it's just cute. It's just cute. Day 9 was a good day. Day number 10. So on day number 10, what do we get? I'm telling you, oh yes! I remember day number 10 was the Chocolate Mint mini palette. So you get a little mini palette, exactly the same as the bigger ones, but a mini version. I love the green, so cute. And when you open it, it smells of mint choc chips, which makes me think that the mini chocolate basic palette just wasn't smelling chocolatey enough for me. But this definitely smells of mint chocolate, and it's got a mixture of like the chocolatey shades again, and then it is this pop of greeny teal, which is beautiful. I've used it on my eyes already, and I used it in the crease, and it looked absolutely banging. It's a great way to kind of add a little bit of colour to a smoky look, because I know a lot of people go for these kind of browns and beiges because you don't necessarily want to go pow with your eye makeup, but this gives you that pow but without being like a Powerpuff Girl. The only thing I would say, and this is being me really picky, is I wish there was more mint in the mint chocolate chip palette. I feel like we could have done with another colour of mint, a different shade of mint maybe, just to add a little bit, because I feel like if it's a mint chocolate, then it should be mint and chocolate, not chocolate with a hint of mint. It should be like equal variants of chocolate versus mint. And fun fact for you, I actually hate chocolate mint, so nobody ever send me any chocolates with mint in, because I don't like it. I just can't get on board. Polos are just about as strong as mint as I can get. Getting attacked by the door. Number 11. Let's just shut these. Can you tell I've had a lot of caffeine today? Because I can. Number 11. Oh, this was a good day. It was another lip gloss. So this is the Metallic Unicorn Lips again in Majestic. And it is a purpley, silvery colour. This is a colour that I would never normally go for, but I actually really like it. And I put it on the top of a nudie colour and then just put it in the middle of my lips to kind of ombre it, and it looked really, really nice. Actually, I was kind of a bit, oh my god, what am I going to wear this with? But I really, really liked it. Really like the colour. It's kind of pushing my boundaries kind of colour. It's not a colour I'd normally go for, even though I do love colour, obviously. But it's not kind of colour that I'd reach for. But really, really liked it. And it's probably my least favourite of all the colours, but that is because it's a bit of an out there colour. But I can still appreciate it, still like it, and I still will add it onto my face. Day number 12, we're falling everywhere. This is like adult Jenga. We have a spare eyelash that I put somewhere. So on day number 12 we got our first highlighter. So it is the Mermaid's Heart highlighter, and look how pretty. It comes in a little heart because obviously it's a mermaid's heart. And oh my goodness, look at these colours. So there is a green, a blue, a gold, an orangey copper and a purple. But when you put them all together, it looks like the best highlights. Like you kind of think, look at it and go, oh my god, that's going to make me look like a rainbow. But it doesn't. It's like the perfect kind of hybrid, because these are kind of darker colours but there's not a lot of them. Once you swept your brush across them, it's like pow. I always go for that kind of goldy champagne colour highlighter, and actually mixing up isn't so bad. I do actually really, really like that product. I'll be honest, that I wouldn't have ever reached for, I wouldn't have ever bought it, but I really like it. 13. We are powering through. Day number 13. What did we get on 13? I can't remember. It's literally like getting a different advent calendar every day, isn't it? Because I literally can't remember what I got. Day 13 was a good day. I got this little Bobby Dazzler, which is the Multi-Liner Bright 4-colour retractable liners. Now, I was a massive stationery fan when I was a kid, and stationery day was always my favourite day. Like, mum was like, right, we're going to get your stationery today for your school year, and I'd flipping love it. Like, new pencil case, new pens, I'd feel fresh, I'd feel excited, I'd feel like my life was like in place. And today was literally the adult equivalent of that. So it is a pen, like those pens that you pull down the sides, but it's eyeliners. 4 eyeliners in a cool stationeryised pen. Oh my god, this is ticking so many boxes. And look at the colour of that. It's literally amazing. So you get a blue eyeliner, a silver eyeliner, a purple eyeliner and a green eyeliner. They're all metallic. They're all super, super extra, and they're quite a fine eyeliner, which means you get a good precision line in your eyelid, which is what we want. We don't want a thick line. We want that kind of, yeah, I've got my eyeliner on point look. And because it's a pen, it's really easy to hold, and it doesn't feel like you're doing your eyeliner. It literally feels like you're drawing on your eyelid with a pen that you stole from someone, because let's be honest, we're all still pens. Whenever someone gives us a pen to write something, that's going straight in my bag. Number 14. Was number 14 a good day? It feels like a heavy day. I do remember number 14. Number 14 was another palette, because you can never have too many palettes in your life. However much your boyfriend says to you, you've got too many palettes, you never have too many palettes. And this was the Creme Brulee palettes. Oh my god. Is that not just the cutest thing ever? I know Revolution did a few advent calendars this year. There was kind of a basic one, then there was a tree one. I think they did 3 or 4. But I have to say, I've been watching other people unboxing their Revolution advent calendars, and the Gingerbread house, without a shadow of a doubt, was the best one. So I'm very, very proud of myself for finding this. So in the Creme Brulee palette, it looks like this. Yes, yes, and more yes. Got a mixture of purples, there is some browns and bronzes, there is a vibrant on vibrant yellow, which I flipping am living for, and I wore it yesterday. There is some whites, there is some like a browny bluey colour, there is some like transition-y colours. It is literally the perfect palette, and this is a palette I know I'm going to be taking everywhere with me. I know I'm going to be grabbing for it, like I've been grabbing for the normal chocolate one. I'm going to be grabbing for this little Bobby Dazzler, because it has the perfect amount of colour to nude, to natural, to cheeky colours. And someone's ringing our house phone, and I hope someone's going to answer that, because it's going to annoy me in editing this video if not. Yeah, they've answered it, thank goodness. I'm loving both of the full size palettes. I feel like they're right up my street. and I just love a palette. Can never have too many palettes. I'm going to keep saying that because I literally, if there's another palette in here, I think my heart might palpitate. Number 15. Oh yes, I remember. Okay, so this is probably the least exciting door of all the doors, but it's a donut and it's full of little sponges, which is it's a cute idea, but it's just not as exciting as the other doors. So you get 6 little blending sponges, which is a cute idea. I quite enjoy it. It's just not as exciting as it, let's be honest. We love a blend, but we don't get excited about a blend, do we? They're pink and white. They're in the shape of a donut. They come in a box. They're really handy. And yeah, I don't really know what else to say about that, except I've got some sponges. And then next was today. What did I get today? Oh, I do remember what I got today. This door is really attacking me. Day 16, which is today, we got the Dragon Heart highlighter. I know, Dragon's Heart, oh my god, I'm so flipping loving all these names. So it is another highlighter, which I'm not mad about because I do love a highlighter. And now I found the other highlighter that I do actually enjoy. I'm a bit more excited to try different highlighters. So Dragon's Heart looks like this. So adorable. So this is it. Let's just have a moment of quietness for the highlighter. So it is a red, a pink, a gold, a white, and then that bronzy kind of gold at the end again. I love it. I'm living for it. I actually am going to admit that I put some on Chris's cheekbones this morning to see what it looked like because I was so excited and couldn't be bothered to get out of bed early. But really loved it, and it's that perfect kind of shimmery. I feel like this is a kind of a wearable colour that a lot of people will go for, whereas a lot of people might be scared of the mermaid heart. But this one, OMG, and imagine wearing all these colours singly as eyeshadows. You're literally going to be living your best life. That is the past 9 days on the advent calendar. The next video is going to be the end of the advent calendar, which I'm a bit sad about, but that also means it's January, which means we're going to Disneyland. But I'm very sad that I'm not going to get a present every day because I'm actually really loving this. And this was actually one of my big presents from Chris. He was like, you can have it, but it's going to be a Christmas present. And it has literally been the best Christmas present because I've got 25 new bits of makeup that I need to add into my life. Stop rambling. I'm not going to go make a cup of tea, edit this video, get it up because you guys need to see it. And I will speak to you all on day number 17, which is tomorrow, but you're not going to see it tomorrow. You're going to see it after I've opened the rest of the calendar. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to give it a double tap. Bye!